This video guide demonstrates how to use the debug view for RTOS in eSquare Studio. This demonstration has two parts. The first part shows how to enable RTOS integration in the debug view. The second part focuses on exploring thread states. Part 1: Enabling RTOS integration in debug view. Before starting, we need to prepare an RTOS project. To enable the feature, start by opening the project debug configuration. Navigate to Debugger tab, then select Debug Tool Settings. Under RTOS category, find the RTOS integration in debug view. Open the drop-down and select Yes to enable the feature. Configuration is now complete. Next, press the Debug button to start the debugging session. Once debugging begins, run the program to start the RTOS kernel. Resume the program, then suspend it again. Check the debug view to examine the project's threads. Let's move on to the next section to explore thread states. Part 2: Understanding RTOS states display in debug view. When the program is suspended, the debug view displays a list of threads. The first thread represents the main thread, while the others are OS threads. By examining an OS thread, we can identify its state. For instance, let's focus on the thread number 2. The number 1001 after the thread number indicates its unique thread ID. Following this are the core name and thread name. This thread is running on single core device, and its name is Blinky thread. The first square bracket contains the thread's running state, including its current status and execution count. In this case, thread number 2 is in a sleeping state and has executed once. The next square bracket displays the core number executing the thread. The final bracket indicates the signal that stopped the thread. Below the thread information is the thread's call stack. That concludes the demonstration. Thank you for watching.